Hello YouTube, this is Dar from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from Tuesday morning. Sorry about the noise, my windows are open and it's the middle of the night, but apparently it's very noisy. First I want to show you a couple things that I already had gotten before, and I forgot to haul this. I had taken it out of my bag, and I got this about 2 weeks ago. Whenever the last Tuesday morning haul I posted, I had gotten the Maggie Holmes carousel paper 24 sheets for $2.99. Sorry about that glare. The number is 1937142, and of course you can call the 1-800 product number and look it up and put your zip code in there, see if you have it. Now sometimes they have duplicate codes on different items, so just be mindful of that. But anyway, you've seen this paper pad probably before. Each page is different. And the other thing that I had that was in that bag was this When Women Cook die embossing folder. It was $4.99 and it's 1927743. So both of those were from a previous haul that I forgot to show. All right, so excuse me. So from this one, I didn't really get to go out too much because I wasn't feeling well, but this was the $5.99 Authentique, and this had came out this week. The paper pad, I already had the paper pad, but I wanted to get this to go along with it because I wanted to make a mini album. And this has the stickers and stuff with it. This is a 12-pack. And this is the Fabulous Collection, and it is 1952848. And of course you can type that number in, the 1-800 number, see if it's in your area. And that's the paper pad. So I actually got 2 of those. Now, some of this haul is not mine, and some of it is, and the next couple papers are not mine. So this is my friend who got married early in the year. This is her. I don't know if she's keeping it. She asked me to pick it up. She wanted to look at it and see if she wants this for her wedding album or not. This is by Authentique Always, and that's what those papers look like. And the number for that, 1952012. So if she likes it, she'll keep it, and I will make an album for her. And if she doesn't, I will take it back for her. As well as this Maggie Holmes. I already have this one. This is the Bloom Collection, and it is $6.99 and is 1952322, and that's by Crate Paper. And I'm sure you guys have seen this. There's been a ton of videos on that one as well. So that was the first time I've seen that in Tuesday morning that I can recall. So that one, and this, whoops, also, is that the only one? Oh, I'm sorry. This is also hers. The Authentique, to match the Love Connection Always, and it is $2.99, and it is 1952216. So this is the same paper pad, except in miniature. So, I mean, I might keep this one myself. If she doesn't like it, I don't know. Kind of cute. Although I don't know if I have anything that I would need it for, but so then it just repeats. But anyway, that was hers. And then this other paper pad, Yours Truly, is $2.99. And again, these are both 6x6, and this is 1919095. This is by Pebbles. And this one is mine. And I meant to take, I'm not going to take it all off. Hopefully you can see some of that. That's what they look like. Alrighty. This is the Memento, and remember this was at Hobby Lobby on clearance. And this is $3.99, and it is 1955102, and this is the Punch Thinks. They also have by American Crafts the pink ones that have this one for the same price, but this comes with the sticker collection. I ended up picking this one up by Shamil for $2.99, even though I really hate these little kind of stamp things. I don't know, I need a lesson on. They don't always work as well for me. They always get smudge around it. I don't ever get just a clear print to me. But anyway, I thought this was kind of cute. They have some different ones that I didn't have. Like it says, make something beautiful, Sorry about that noise. Tell my story, be happy, see the world, make it happen, get away from it all, drink tea and eat cake, stay at home, go somewhere lovely, party all night, focus on the happy, and always remember. So I just thought there were some kind of cute ones. I was really excited to find this. These are the artsy. These are basically the glitter pens, clear, gold, and silver. And they were $5.99. So basically a Wink of Stella. And 1955095. So that was nice to find those. These are the only 3 colors that I saw, and these are also refillable. So, well, I don't know. It has this little ink bottle on the back, but it looked like they work the same way as the other one. So I don't know. But anyway, so that was a nice deal. I hadn't seen anybody haul those. So as far as the dies, and I ended up leaving one by mistake. It was for $3.99. It was a house. Anyway, this is like a cityscape. It says city space for $3.99, and it's 1955078. And I'm sure you've probably seen that one before. But I like that bridge, and I like the city outline because again, it reminds me of kind of like New York. And I thought this would be nice to also help with her wedding album if I use that paper, because her theme was Brooklyn, New York. And Brooklyn East Queen, excuse me. I was excited to find this one because I couldn't find this one. People were getting, I think this is the one people got from Hobby Lobby or one similar to it. And it's 1955072. So that does have a different number, and it's $3.99. Sorry about all that noise in the background. And then this one is the arrow map. It says, and the last 2 digits on this one is 77. And again, I've seen these in Hobby Lobby. This one, as well as Michael's, was $3.99. All these regular prices were $12.99. The last 2 digits on this one is 75, and this one is called Romance. So you have the stamps, 13-piece set, stamps, and the dies. And this one is the butterfly one, and it's just called Butterflies. And the last 2 digits, well, is 1955103. So I really like the different stamps that come along with it. I never hear anybody outside talking this time of night. Really? It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. This is another artsy one, $2.99. This is the stencil and the stamp. So this is a 25-piece set, because you count each one of the individual stencils, and it says some things like beautiful, dream, hope, smile, believe, and then the background of the stencils. If you can see it, there's dragonflies, butterflies, birds soaring, and a whole bunch of birds together. And you've probably seen that in Michael's. So for $2.99, excuse me, this was $2.99, and it's 1955106. This one was more expensive, but it was $8.99, and this was the Momenta's gift card die. So that's how it cuts out, and that's what it looks like. So it holds a die card, a gift card. I'm making up a new word. A gift card, but you could also use this because it has a flap as just an envelope as well, but it does hold a die card. I already own this one. I brought it just to keep as a giveaway. You know, whenever I feel like giving away a giveaway. So this is $3.99, and it is the last 2 digits is 79, so that will go into my extra stash. And then this one is arrows, and the last 2 digits is 74, and that's a 7-piece set. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.